Selenium class 31 project overview. See, I will provide the project information. You try to automate using Selenium. Actually, it is assignment class. I will explain the project specification and you try to automate using Selenium, WebDriver and TestNG. See, functional test automation using Selenium. Functional test automation using Selenium. See, first project information. See, you know that gcrit.com, that is e-commerce web portal. See, first project domain. Sunil, what is domain in IT terminology? What is domain?
Domain is basically relates to an industry, sir.
Industry. That is general term. In IT industry, what is domain? Domain, some are saying verticals. Domain here, general definition, domain means an area.
Yes, sir.
An area. Here domain means project business area. Project business area. Say banking, insurance, ERP, enterprise resource planning. Next e-commerce, retail market, telecom, etc. Project domain. Domain means an area. In our testing point of view, or not only testing, IT industry point of view, domain means project software project business area. Okay, in the IT industry we have several domains. Example, banking, insurance, ERP, healthcare, telecom, retail market, e-commerce, etc. See, what we are going to discuss, that application gcrit.com, GCR shop, that is e-commerce application. E-commerce domain, e-commerce. And nowadays, observe Sanjida, one more term is there, BFSI. BFSI. Did you hear this term, BFSI?
No, sir, I didn't.
Very popular domain, combined domain, very popular, BFSI, nearly 38% market share. Sridevi, having any idea, BFSI?
Sir, I think it's banking, financial services.
And insurance.
Insurance.
Banking, financial services and insurance, BFSI. Okay, say e-commerce. Next, subdomain. Say subdomain optional. B2C. B2C. What is B2C? Gurnath Natarajan, B2C?
Business to, I don't know the
customer. Business to customer.
Business to
See, online shopping web portals, business to customer only. Manufacturers or vendors exhibit their products. Customers purchase the products. See, business to customer. Next, another areas in this e-commerce area, B2B, C2B, C2c. C2B, customer to business. C2c, customer to customer. Customer only place the business requirement and customers only fulfill the requirement. C2c, nowadays C2c web portals are so popular. Sunil, can you tell me one example for C2c application? Customer to customer.
Flipkart, sir.
Flipkart is not customer to customer. Business to customer
No,
only.
not a customer.
Vendor is not the customer. Suppose Sony, Thomson, they are not customers. C2C. See, online classified portals are there now.
Yes, sir.
OLX.com, Suleka.com, Quicker,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
all they are C2c applications now. Customers only place their requirement and customers only fulfill the requirements, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Say business to, our application is business to customer. Business to customer. Next, application. Domain, subdomain, software application. Our application is online shopping portal. Aarti, have any idea what is portal? Web portal?
Is a online
See, be familiar with web terminology. Nowadays, most of the applications are web applications. See, the desktop application slowly getting outdated. Okay, desktop application, one-tier applications will be there, but low amount. But web applications increasing day by day. See, in future, web applications, mobile applications. These two categories only dominate the industry. Desktop applications limited. What is web portal? Sridevi, any idea what is web portal? Portal.
Sir, where transactions occur. Portal.
See, simple meaning, portal means a business gateway. A business gateway. Suppose Naukari.com, Monster.com, they also portals. Okay, job portals. They provide business in between employee and employers. See, portal means a business gateway. Suppose general website. Suppose RasiCement.com. That is general website. It provides that company information about us, contact us, products information, services, etc. That is general website. Next, web applications, commercial applications or business applications. Suppose ICICIbank.com, bankofamerica.com, they provide information and services, paid services or free services. Suppose banks information, ATM locators, branch locators, this is information. Next, term deposit interest rates, loans interest rates, that is information. For example, fund transfer, bill payments, these are services, transactions. Next, suppose Facebook.com, Twitter.com, these are social networking sites. Gmail.com, Rediff.com, Yahoo.com, these are Yahoo search engine also there integrated. Gmail, Rediff, these are email service providers. See, we have different types of web applications, portals, websites, web applications, next social networking applications, email service providers, etc. See, our application is online shopping portal. Okay, na Gurnath Natarajan, any query?
Sir, pretty much clear, sir.
Cool. See, application environment. See, development environment. See, actually, this gcrit.com, that is production URL, developed in LAMP technology. LAMP. See, Sunil, what is LAMP? Any idea? It is open source. Linux,
No idea, sir.
Linux, Apache, next MySQL and Hypertext Preprocessor, PHP. See, MySQL database, open source. See, short form of these technologies, LAMP. Next, production environment. Production environment. See, this is internet public application. See, web applications basically two types. Intranet, local network, local area network. Intranet applications, internet applications. See, these online shopping portals basically internet applications. See, production environment, internet public application. Public application. Why I am saying public? Some private applications also there in internet. After entering user ID, password only you can access them. For public application, anybody can access. Getting this point, Sunil, internet public application.
Yes, sir.
Next, test environment. Test environment, intranet. Say if it is internet application, production environment or intranet application, usually we test in intranet environment only. Okay, some 10% or 20% live data, live testing in internet environment, but most of the testing done in intranet environment, local area network. See, this is a brief introduction about this project. Next, project description. See, project description. See, you take any web application having two interfaces. One is admin interface for maintenance, maintaining the application. Another is user interface for business operations. You take any web application, banking applications or insurance application, any internet or intranet applications, minimum two interfaces. One is admin interface for application maintenance. Another is user interface for business transactions or business operations. See here our application also having two interfaces. One is admin, another is user. See, observe the admin interface. You need to explain the brief description about this project, Gurnad. See, this is admin interface.
Yes, sir.
This is admin interface, na? Admin.
Yes,
Here, first login is there. Without login, you cannot access any admin interface services. Admin interface restricted. See, suppose admin, next, admin at 123. Here observe manufacturers. Manufacturers can register here. See here insert is there. New manufacturer registration. Next, edit, delete manufacturer. Next, categories. See, insert new category, new product, insert category, edit category, delete category, edit product, delete product. Next, localization. Here currencies. See, new currency, edit currency, delete currency, etc. Next, reports, order status. See, reports. Order status. These are the important services. Log off. Next, user interface. Anybody can launch the user interface. For business transactions, login is mandatory, but here you can create you can create account. You can create account. See here, user registration, or you can say customer registration. Next, customer login. Next, buy products, checkout, etc. Features are there. Now tell me, Gurnath Natarajan, what is project? Tell me in 2 or 3 lines, brief description.
So there are 2 parts of it. One is the admin part,
Okay,
sir,
forget
and the
about
other is the
2 part.
customer
Generic description. See, end user point of view, 2 interfaces, that information not required. Generic description. Observe. This web portal provides interface between vendors, or you can say manufacturers, vendors and customers. Next, vendors place their products and sell, or you can say manufacturers. Manufacturers place their products information and sell through this web portal. Next, customers view products and buy products. Buying products not mandatory, just you can view and leave the site. See, customers view products and buy products. Next, financial service providers provide money transfers. Observe, Sunil, financial transactions are there now. See, most of the web applications provide some options, online, credit card or net banking or cash on delivery, etc. options are there now.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes.
cash on delivery manual, suppose credit card transaction or bank transfer, net banking, for that financial services required now. Some companies provide financial services. Suppose PayPal also one of the financial service provider, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, some banks also providing these financial services, business, this one, money transfers. See, financial service providers. One or more provide money transfers. Money transactions. Next, courier service providers. Aarti, what is the role of courier service providers in online shopping? Courier service providers.
They wanted to make sure that the shipping person
products. Ship products.
Deliver on time.
Ship products and return also. Now sometimes we return. Ship products written products. Ship products, return products. Say from vendor to, or you can say from manufacturer or distributor, from manufacturers to customers. Suppose return is customers to manufacturers, customers to manufacturers. See, these are the important business operations in this application. Important business operations. Here observe, try to understand the domain and subdomain etc. concepts. Gurnath, this one
Yes, sir.
www.ecrit.com, the World Wide Web. This HTTP is protocol.
Yes, sir.
www World Wide Web. GCRIT is our web, that site name or locator. Com is domain, commercial domain. See
No,
.com, .net, .wari, .biz, .info, etc. domains available. Com domain is popular domain in internet. See, here observe, this is domain. Observe Sunil, don't confuse. Our domain is different, this domain is different. This is internet domain, web
Yes, sir.
domain, internet domain or web domain. This domain is this e-commerce, this domain is software project business area.
Okay. Yes, sir. Got it.
See, both are domains but different, scenarios different, meaning also different. Here software project business area, here last one web domain or internet domain. Okay, here one more thing also there, build 3, see www.gcrit.com is a domain. What is this build 3?
Subdomains.
Subdomain. Build 3 is subdomain. Next, another, suppose Suleka. This is domain suleka.com. Just a minute. We changed the interface. Just a minute. Suppose news web portal. See tupaki.com. Observe. What is the URL? Observe Gurnath, www.tupaki.com na. See, this main URL is Telugu version. Next, here English is there option. English is there. Observe Sunil, this build 3 is not subdomain. This build 3 is folder. Here English is there na. What is this English? Just a minute.
Sir, but if we enter gcrit.com/build3, we are directly navigating to there, right?
Yes, navigating to that folder.
Okay.
Every folder having their own layout also. Folder, that is folder, not subdomain. Some difference is there.
Okay, sir.
This English is subdomain.
Okay, sir.
English is subdomain. See, observe blindly. Here dot is there na. English.tupaki.com. So this is subdomain. Here slash build 3. This is folder.
Okay, sir.
See, remember these three concepts: domain, subdomain, folder. Okay, come to mainstream or project description. Project stakeholders. See, stakeholders. Stakeholders of the project. See, first one, web portal owner. Web portal owner or developer. Web portal developer. Observe, Sunil, in online shopping applications, different types of applications. For example, Flipkart.com, that is Snapdeal, Amazon, all these are third parties. They are not manufacturers. Okay, they may have some products, but their primary business is not manufacturing. Suppose Flipkart is manufacturer, Snapdeal
No,
is
sir.
manufacturer,
They are the third party service
third
providers.
party service providers. They are web portal developers. They provide the services in between manufacturers and customers. They
Yes, sir.
charge some amount, some commission from manufacturers. That is a business scenario, different case. Next, one more thing. Some companies develop their own portals. Some manufacturers develop their own portals to sell their products only. Some companies develop their own portals na.
Apple, sir. Yeah.
See, this web portal is first category. See, developer is this web portal developer is not the manufacturer. See, next, manufacturers are vendors. Next, financial service providers. Next, courier service providers. Next, customers. See, these are the important stakeholders of the project. Next, already I told you, take any web application, or not only web application, you take desktop application also. Two interfaces. One is admin interface for application maintenance. Next, user interface for business operations. Here also we have two interfaces.
Sir,
Ah,
I have a question. Product owner and business owner, they are different or the same?
product owner means manufacturer. Business owner means, what is business?
I
Here
don't
no
know.
business terminology. Manufacturer or vendor, customer. Business. See, business have several meanings na.
Yes, sir. But
Vendors,
sir, what is the hierarchy? Who is the first person in any project?
not in any project. Depends on project. In this project, first web portal owner, developer. Web portal developer only provides interface and services for manufacturers and customers in this application. That depends on application. Stakeholders depends on application. For
Okay, sir.
example, ICICIbank.com. Who is the main stakeholder at ICICI Bank? Na?
Yes.
Bank is the main stakeholder. Next, account holders. Account holders, another stakeholders. What is the problem?
No, I just need to know the product owner. Any projects where what should be the usual hierarchy, like a product owner, then developer, and then
See,
test.
this is only for this online shopping web application. These stakeholders and hierarchies vary from one application to another, one project to another, not constant.
Okay, sir.
See two interfaces of the application. What are the two interfaces? First interface, admin interface. What is the purpose of admin interface, Sridevi? Purpose of admin interface?
Create users.
Create users, okay. Maintenance.
Maintenance.
Say admin interface provides master data. Here you can add, edit, delete master data. Provides master data. Next, maintenance. Observe Sunil, observe this term master data. What is master data? Required data for running the application.
Yes, sir.
Required data for running the application. Suppose one company developed online banking system for a bank. See, in initial system, no bank details, etc. Na? They need to add,
Sir.
see, branch locators, ATM locators, fixed deposits, loans, etc. All these are all this comes under master data. Observe Sanjida Mukul. What is master data? Required data for running the application. In our application also, first we need to add manufacturer, add product, add currency, etc. master data. Otherwise in user interface, no shopping na.
Yes, sir.
See, that is master data. See, provides master data and maintenance of the master data. Next, user interface. Sridevi, user interface, business transactions, business operations. Okay, two interfaces. First, I am taking admin interface. You know the URL of admin. Here, important users. Actually, it is not full-fledged application. Actually, in full-fledged applications, users are project admin. In our application, project admin only available. For every vendor, they provide one user ID password. Using that user ID password, they enter to admin interface and add, edit, delete products. Next, vendors or manufacturers. Here no general users. Next, financial service providers, they also track the data. Next, courier service providers also track the data for packing slips, etc. See, these are the important users for admin interface. Next, admin URL. This is production URL. Production. You know that URL? Just a minute. Next, username, password. Username, admin, password, admin at 123. Next, features to be tested in admin interface. See, actually, we write these features to be tested in admin interface in test plan document. Test plan. See, in test plan you can find fields like features to be tested, features not to be tested, entry criteria, exit criteria, suspension criteria, etc. See, features to be tested in admin interface. Features to be tested in admin interface. List out the features, Sunil. We explore that application now. List out the features. Features to be tested.
Add user.
Before add, admin login required na?
Yeah, login.
See, admin login. Just a minute. Login. Next.
Add.
Just a minute. I will explore this one. Admin. Here before login, online catalog link is there na?
Yes, sir.
If you click this link, it redirects to user interface. User interface. That is also one feature. We need to test that one. What is that feature? Redirect from admin interface to user interface. See, this is before login. Next, after login. Say admin at 123. See, Preeti not there, Sanjeeva, Smita. Okay. After admin, observe Smita. After login also same online catalog link is there na? redirect to user interface.
Sir.
Redirect from this one before login. Before login. This is before login. Next, redirect from admin interface to user interface after login. After login. Next, just a minute. Edit, all of you put mute. Add, edit, next, delete, manufacturers. Add, edit, delete, manufacturers. Who adds? Sanjita, who adds manufacturers? Generally.
Sir, I don't know.
Can you tell me, Sunil, who adds manufacturers?
Admin, sir.
Admin, project admin.
Okay.
Project admin or portal owner or portal developer. Next, after that, the portal owner provides login credentials for manufacturers, then manufacturers login. See, in this application, no manufacturers login, but in general, in every e-commerce application, online shopping portals, for manufacturers also login. Next, what is the manufacturer's operations? Add, edit, delete, categories. 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 Next, add, edit, delete, products. What is the difference between products and categories, Gurnath Natarajan? Difference between products and categories.
So products are divided into different categories. Like now, for example, there are like now one is for say for example TV is one kind of product.
Tell me the hierarchy. Which one is superior, category or product?
Product is superior, sir.
Product is superior.
No,
Category
sir.
is not superior.
Category, sir.
Category is superior.
Men's category, women's category is there.
Category is superior. For example, this one, computer is there. Computer, one category. In that, desktops, laptops, tablets, etc. They are subcategories. Next, some product. One suppose ABCD, one product. 14-inch or 17-inch, one product. Next, another product. Which one is superior? Category is superior. Gurnath.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Category is superior,
Got it,
not
sir.
product. The first categories, if available subcategories, then products. That is the hierarchy. Next, add, just a minute. Add, edit, delete, currencies. See, some web applications, some online shopping applications provide single currency only. For example, dollar. Some applications use multiple currencies. User can select currency. Suppose dollar, US dollar, or euro, or yen, or yuan, or rupees, etc. Some applications only provide different currencies. Some applications standard currency, only one currency. Okay, add, edit, delete currencies. Next, One more thing also there. Set default currency option is also there. Set default currency. Next, product reports. Next,
The product reports are part of product details, sir.
reports means suppose today some 20 products purchased,
Okay, sir.
14 customers purchased 20 products. That is product report,
Okay, sir. Got it.
not product details.
So
See next.
it's not comes under summary of sales, sir.
Yes, you can say observe just a minute. Reports. Here observe
Okay.
different types of reports available now. Products
Yes, sir.
viewed,
Okay.
only viewed. Suppose here we didn't segregate day wise, week wise, month wise, just a general list.
Okay.
Here,
Okay, sir. Got it.
suppose these products viewed. Next, products purchased. These products purchased. Next, customer reports. See, these customers only purchased, and here total purchased price right side. Next, orders total. Just a minute. See, these are the different types of reports now.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Customer reports, etc. See, these are the important features that need to be tested in admin interface. Admin interface. Next, user interface. User interface. Just a minute. Features to be tested in user interface. First, users. Observe Sanjida, users of user interface. Earlier we discussed users of admin interface. This time, just a minute, log off. Who are the users of user interface of this application? Guess. Anybody can launch this application. Anybody can view the products without login, without registration.
Sir.
Here, two types of users. Two types of users are there. What are they?
Registered users,
Ah.
non-registered.
Guest users. Guest users also there na?
Yes, sir.
First one, guest users. Guest users. See, guest users launch the application. Launch application. Next, view products. View products. Next, search products. Buy products only for registered users. Next, registered users. Anybody can register with free of cost. Registered users. For registered users, all these operations, in addition, buy products. Here, what are the important features? Launch application. Next, search products. Search products. next customer registration, next customer login, next buy products and checkout, etc. Okay na Sunil?
Yes, sir.
See, in this buy products, some sub features: add, delete products, next add, edit quantity, next suppose any discounts are there, discount coupons, etc. Enter discounts, next select payment option, net banking or cash on delivery, etc. option, and checkout. Okay na Sridevi?
Yes, sir.
These are the important. Next, come to our mainstream. Smoke. Observe smoke tests for admin interface. Observe here two terms, smoke testing, one small difference is there, and sanity testing. Both are same in purpose, but difference is there. Can you tell me, Sanjida Mukul, what is the difference between smoke testing and sanity testing? Anyhow, it is a controversy concept, but difference is there. What is the difference? First of all, tell me what is smoke testing? You tell me, Sridevi. Sanjida not responding.
I'm back. You are asking smoke testing and sanity testing difference, right? So sanity testing is happen before accept the bill, and smoke testing happen after.
See, both are for accepting the build only. We conduct smoke testing or sanity testing for accepting the build only. Before accepting the build only, we conduct.
Smoke will be conducted for the initial.
Yes.
Sanity will, yeah, and sanity will be conducted.
Smoke testing can be conducted on initial build. Next, sanity testing conducted.
Stable builds, sir.
Stable builds means otherwise you can say modified builds.
Yeah, it's not the initial build. Yeah,
it's not like initial build, modified builds. Just a minute, observe. Actually, it is manual testing concept. Observe, Sanjida. Test execution levels, not test levels. Test levels different. Unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. Those are test levels. What we are going to discuss is test execution levels. See here first, smoke testing. Here, what is the purpose of smoke testing? Verifying whether the build is acceptable or not by executing basic functionality tests. For example, login. We conduct smoke testing on initial build. After acceptance, next, comprehensive testing means executing all possible test cases. Executing all possible test cases. Actually, it is real testing. Smoke testing only for build acceptance. Comprehensive testing intention is for finding defects. Next, after comprehensive testing, if you find any defects, you raise defects. After fixing, you confirm defects. For confirmation, we conduct regression testing. We select test cases for regression testing. Before regression, just a minute. Here, defect reporting and tracking. Next, after receiving modified build, sanity testing. Getting this point, Sunil?
Yes, sir.
Here sanity testing purpose also same. What is the purpose? Accepting the build for checking whether the build is to check whether the build is acceptable or not. Smoke testing purpose also same. But what is the difference here? Smoke testing on initial build, sanity testing on modified build. Sanity testing several times na. Suppose regression testing cycle 1. Again sanity testing na. Just
yes, sir.
Again sanity testing. Regression testing cycle 2. Like that. See, this regression cycles depends on complexity of the application and strength of the development team. At the end, final regression, general regression, final regression. Now, can you understand this concept, Aarti, smoke testing?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now, identify the smoke test cases in our admin interface.
I think login is a smoke test.
See, observe. Before that, I need to introduce one more thing. Test scenario and test case. Observe Gurnath Natarajan. Which one is superior? Test scenario or test case? Which one
Test
is superior?
case, sir.
Huh?
Test case, sir.
Test case is superior. Test scenario. A scenario that can be tested by using one or more test cases.
Okay, yeah, got it, sir. Yeah. One test case can have multiple
One
scenarios.
scenario having one or more test cases.
Yes, sir. One scenario having multiple. Yes, sir.
Observe Sunil. Test scenario, test case. Which one is superior?
Test scenario, sir.
Test
First
scenario.
test
Scenario that can be tested using one or more test cases. Sometimes only one test case. Sometimes multiple test cases required. Here scenarios, positive scenarios and negative scenarios also there. Somebody trying to ask me?
Yes, sir. What is the scenario, sir? Is scenario is requirement or user stories?
We derived scenarios from requirements. See, this features to be tested is high level terminology that used in test plan. Generally, the sequence is observe. Just a minute. Sequence is test requirement, or you can use case. Suppose use cases available in for your project, use case or user stories. We derive test cases from we derive test scenarios.
From test requirements.
Test scenarios. Just a minute. We derive test scenarios from test requirement or use case. Next, from test scenario, for test scenarios, we write one or more test cases. Getting the sequence?
Sir, can you give some example?
I will give. For test cases, for executing test cases, we use test data.
And sir, what is the feature?
Pardon?
What is the feature?
Feature is a requirement, sir.
Feature is requirement. That is high level terminology that we used in test plan. Here, forget about the feature. In testing terminology, requirement or use case, test scenario, test case, test data. See, test data, just a minute. Test data is only for some test cases, not for all test cases. Applicable for some test cases. Just a minute. Applicable for some test cases. What is the purpose of test data? It is input data. Input data to execute the test case. To execute the test case. Sanjida, did you observe these four terms? Test requirement, test scenario, test case, and test data.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Here also requirements, three flavors of requirements. See, this is high level. Actually, that is not part of our syllabus. Business requirement. Later, business requirements converted as software requirement. See, different flavors of requirements. Then software requirements converted as test requirement. Business requirement, software requirement, test requirement. Okay, forget about these two. Test requirement. Here in our application, suppose functional requirement, functional test requirement, functional test. Say requirement. See, we have types of requirements now. In test requirements also we have types of requirements now, Sunil.
Yes, sir. Functional requirements.
Functional requirements. Next, performance requirements. Next, security requirements, usability requirements, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose functional requirements. Next, performance requirements.
UI.
Next, see all these are comes under non-functional. But our Selenium is mainly used for functional test automation. See next,
UI.
usability test requirements. Next, actually in functional area, some are saying security is non-functional. No, here functionality tests. Next, security also one of the subset of functional testing. Next, load testing, stress testing, endurance testing, spike testing, subsets of performance testing. Next, reliability testing, recovery testing, localization testing, internationalization testing, etc. Non-functional test types. Okay, forget about that one. You give an example in functional test requirement. Functional test requirement, Sunil, example for functionality testing. Give
User
one example.
login user. Yes, sir.
See, suppose admin user login to application. This is functional. Can you give Sanjida one example for performance test requirement? Performance.
So the timing, the performance test is
See,
how
after
long it takes.
functional only, non-functional. What is the sequence, Sunil? First functional, then performance, na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose functionality not working, then no meaning of performance, na? Suppose for
Yes,
one
sir.
user also, application is not responding. Checking that functionality for multiple users meaningless, na?
Right, sir.
See example for performance test requirement. See, for example, login for 1000 concurrent users. Login for 1000 concurrent users. Suppose that benchmark is it has to log in within 5 seconds. Example. See, login after entering valid username and password, logging to the application. That is functional testing. Next, login for 1000 or 10,000 users within the time frame. That is performance testing. Okay, na? Next, suppose usability. Suppose example for this is non-functional. Performance also non-functional. Example for usability test requirement. Can you tell me, Sunil, usability requirement? For example, verify the alignment of elements. Username. Here, what is the sequence? First username, then password, then login button. This is the user-friendly navigation. Suppose first password, see functionality working fine, performance also fine, but first password, then login button, then username, first password, then login button, then password. That is not the sequence. That is not the correct order. That is not the user friendly navigation, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, verify alignment of elements of admin login page, admin login page. Okay, forget about all these three. First, you take our functional test requirement. Observe Sanjida, functional test requirement. Admin user login to application. Means for admin users, login is required. Without login, they can't enter into application, isn't it? Here, test scenarios. Positive scenario, just a minute. This is test requirement. Next, test scenarios. One or more scenarios for requirement. Some requirements having only one scenario, some requirements multiple scenarios. Test requirement, test scenarios. Tell me, Sridevi, test scenarios. One scenario is admin login to application using valid username and password. Okay. Next, negative scenario. Error message for invalid login attempt. Observe Sunil, one positive scenario and one negative scenario minimum for this test requirement, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, test cases. First, I am taking this positive scenario. Only one test case na, Sanjida?
Yes, sir.
See, here test case is verify. See, scenario just provides brief description about the requirement. Test case is a document. What is test case? Input, preconditions, post conditions, next execution steps, and expected result for checking any test condition. This is document. Verify admin login. Verify admin login using valid username and password. See, observe Sunil, test scenario just provides the scenario, but test case What it provides?
Detailed information, sir.
See,
Prerequisite
input, if required,
input in.
input,
Yes, sir.
precondition, next
Expected
post condition, next
steps.
steps for execution,
Steps.
steps,
Yeah.
next expected result, etc. Okay na? Next, verify admin login using valid username and valid password. Is there any other test cases for this scenario, Sanjeeda Mukul?
No, sir.
No, only one. See, already I told, a scenario may have one or more test cases. One or more test cases. See, most of the time for positive scenarios, single test case is enough. For negative scenarios, multiple. See, this is for positive scenario. This is for positive scenario. This one. Next for, just a minute. This is for positive scenario.
Sir, can data-driven testing comes under positive scenario? It can be positive and negative,
Negative.
right, sir?
We can mix that one. Data-driven testing basically in test automation. This concept
Right.
is not only limited to test automation. If it is manual testing or test automation, whatever it may be. See, in manual testing, generally no meaning of data-driven testing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We write different. Who is asking? Smita. We write different test cases for positive and negative testing, Smita. Here in automation, we use data-driven testing. Here we can mix positive and negative test cases. Already I told. Say in manual testing, suppose if you write 1000 test cases for any project, in automation 1000 not required. You can cover all those manual 1000 test cases in 300 or 400 automated test cases, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Automation scope is very high than automated test scope is very high than manual test case. Here it is for positive scenario. For positive scenario. Next for negative scenario. Say in manual testing we don't use test data file. We use different test cases for negative testing, for negative scenario. Observe, Sunil, for this negative scenario we can write multiple test cases na?
Yes, sir. Valid, invalid.
Observe.
Invalid, invalid.
Verify admin login using valid username and
Invalid password.
invalid password. It has to show error message. It has to show meaningful error message, but no login. If it provides login, then that is defect only. Verify admin login using valid username and invalid password.
Yes, sir.
Next, another test case. Another
Invalid
test case.
Valid password.
Observe once again, Smita, in manual testing, no data-driven testing concept, isn't it?
Yes,
Smita,
sir.
no data-driven
Yes.
testing concept in manual testing. For
Yes, sir. Driven is-
for every test data, we use one separate test case, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Generally, we don't execute test case continuously. Say for positive means valid inputs one test case, invalid inputs multiple test cases we use. But in test automation, see in test automation we use programming. Programming logic can concentrate on multiple verification points at a time. That's why Here we mix positive and negative scenarios in single test. Okay. Next, verify admin login with login using invalid login and valid password. Just a minute. This is one test case. Next,
Both invalid.
verify invalid username. Next, invalid password, etc. See, some you can use blanks, etc. Okay. Here, for this valid input, we prepare test data. Suppose username admin, we collect test data from a development team. See, test data collection, some test data we prepare. For example, phone number field is there. As per requirements, it has to accept 10-digit numeric values. For that, we can prepare test data. Testers only prepare test data for that field. Some test data we have to collect from the developers. Some test data we have to collect from customers also. Suppose one information is there, cities information is there. Cities information depends on customer business, that we have to collect from the customer. See, username, password, suppose admin at 123. Next, test data for first negative scenario. Test data for first negative scenario. Suppose ABCD 123. Next, test data for second scenario. ABCD 123. Next, test data for third scenario. Both are invalid na. Suppose XYZ 123. Next, ABCD 123, etc. Now, did you understand these four terms, Sanjida Mukul? Test requirement, test scenario, test case, test data, required data for executing the test case. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
come
sir.
to mainstream. Smoke tests. Just identify the smoke tests in admin interface. Smoke tests for admin interface. Just identify. Identify Gurnath Natarajan, smoke tests in admin interface. You tell me, Smita, smoke tests in admin interface. Why people are not responding?
Smoke test in admin will make sure the build
Just
is
a minute,
correctly.
Gurnath. You leave. Your turn is over. Smita, continue.
Yes, sir. Admin login, admin or man login.
Admin login. It is smoke test. Suppose if login is not working, then we cannot test any other functionality. Next,
Admin or manufacturer logout.
add manufacturer. Add manufacturer also smoke test na, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you are not able to, just a minute. If you are not able to add manufacturer, then we cannot conduct edit manufacturer, next delete manufacturer, like function, etc. functions. Add at least one manufacturer is there to conduct edit, delete manufacturer tests. Next,
Add category.
add category. Suppose if you are not able to add category, then you cannot edit category, delete category, add product, delete product, etc. Next,
Add product.
add product. Next,
Admin
add
logout.
currency. Add currency. Next, log off. Suppose application is not properly log out or log off, then problem. Log off. Admin log off. See, these are the important smoke tests. Next, all possible tests in admin interface. In admin interface. All possible tests. Tell me, Sanjida Mukul, possible tests. First, launch application. Actually, it is a smoke test also na. Suppose by providing URL, it has to launch the application na. See, launch application. Suppose URL after by entering valid URL, you have to get that admin interface. Suppose admin interface not launching, problem. Launch application. Next, verify elements presence in login page. Observe, Sunil, this test. Verify elements presence in login page. This is also test case na.
Yes, sir.
For example, after launching login page, username field available, password field available, login button available, but online catalog link not available. So you cannot redirect to user interface before login na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose as per requirements, we can redirect from admin interface to user interface before login and after login. Suppose before login online catalog link not exists, that time you cannot redirect. Okay, check the elements presence in login page. Next, redirect to user interface. Redirect to user interface from admin interface. Continue, Sanjida Mukul.
Yes, sir.
Continue. Next, admin login. Next, admin login invalid attempt. Next, observe, Sunil. This is one invalid attempt. It is showing error message na. Sunil. Smita.
Yes, sir.
Invalid.
It is showing error.
showing this is invalid attempt, showing error message. After that, if you enter valid username, valid password, then you can get a login. Okay. Next, observe one more test. One invalid attempt, second invalid attempt, next third invalid attempt. Observe here one business rule is there na. The maximum number of login attempts has been reached. Please try after 5 minutes. Again in 5 minutes. Suppose after 3 attempts, if I enter valid username, valid password, no, it won't provide. Observe valid username, valid password. It's not providing login na.
Yes, sir.
This
So
is
we
also one.
typically
Say maximum here 3. Verify maximum login attempts. Okay na? Next, admin login over. Next, after 5 minutes only. Add.
Sir, again, after login, we need to check for the existence of elements, right, sir?
Pardon?
After login.
Yes, after login also you can check for the existence of the application. Say, if you want detailed coverage of the application, say it depends on budget, time, management prefers detailed coverage or partial coverage or brief coverage. Suppose if it is detailed coverage of all functionalities, then you have to check elements present after login also for every page, not only login, isn't it? For every page, see, verify elements presence in what is the page? Index page na after login. Index page. Index page. This is after login. Next, just a minute. Verify elements in each page of the application. Getting Smita?
Yes, sir.
It is required for every page. Next, verify add manufacturer. Verify add manufacturer. Next,
Verify edit man.
just a minute. Before that, negative scenario also there. Add manufacturer. Invalid. Attempt for add manufacturer. Next, okay, brief edit manufacturer. This is another test case. See, we cannot combine add, edit, delete all these tests in single test case na, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Edit manufacturer, verify edit manufacturer. Okay, next, delete manufacturer, verify delete manufacturer. Next, same. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose 12. Verify add category. Next, edit category. Next, delete category. This is 13, 14. Next, verify add product. Add product. Next, edit product. Next, delete product. Just a minute. 14, 15, 16, 17. Next, suppose 18, 19, 20. Verify add currency. Next, edit currency. Delete currency. Next, set default currency. Set default currency. Next, verify product viewed report. Next, verify customer report or purchase report. Product purchased report. See, etc. Okay, now Sunil, are you there? Gurnath Natarajan.
Sir. Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
See,
I got it, sir.
all possible tests using all possible tests for admin interface. Next, continue Aarti. Smoke tests for user interface. Smoke tests for user interface.
Verify.
Just a minute. First, launch the application.
Launch application. Login.
Just a minute. Verify launch application. The system is making some noise. Aarti, put mute. You continue. Gurnath Natarajan. Verify launch application. Next.
Verify username.
See, how can you get username, password? First create account na.
Yes, sir, we have to create an account, sir.
Create an account. See.
Create an account, sir.
Verify. Create an account. account with valid input data. Next here, negative test also there na.
So with invalid input, sir.
See that customer registration
Yes, sir.
invalid attempt for create an account.
Yes, sir. 3 attempts.
Not 3 attempts. Here no 3 attempts. That is only admin interface. Here
Oh, okay.
invalid attempts means, for example, if you don't enter any mandatory field, then it won't allow now.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Yeah, got it, sir.
Invalid. Next. Okay, your side also background noise. Continue, Smita.
Yes, sir. Invalid attempt.
Customer login is there na?
Customer registration, sir.
Customer registration. What is this create account? Create account customer registration only na?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Um,
Here also you can check the elements.
Existence of elements.
Existence of elements. Just a minute. Existence of elements for every page of the application. Verify existence of elements for every page of the application. Next, customer login with
Valid credentials.
valid input. Next, customer login with invalid inputs. Next, invalid inputs multiple. Next,
Logout, sir.
Pardon?
Customer logout.
Logout also one test case. Verify customer logout. Next, verify here add to cart is there na? Shopping cart. Just a minute. Here add to cart is there na?
Yes.
Add product to cart one at a time. Add product to cart. After adding, you can check. Suppose update. Next, how to verify? Open the shopping cart. Here one product is there. There na? Next, here remove also there na? Now shopping 0 items na? Observe this one, 0 items. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is that test?
Verify delete product.
Remove product. Okay. Verify remove product. Next, just a minute. First add product. Add to cart. Now it is showing item. Next, quantity is there na.
Mhm.
Suppose I want four items. How to verify this one? Here price subtotal changing na.
Yes, sir.
See what is that one? Verify quantity. Verify quantity. Next, you cannot restrict all these operations in single test case. If it is automation, it is possible, but don't write multiple verification points in a single test case. Why? You can write, but complex. So reduce the complex. Use one or two verification points in a test case. Getting this point, Smita?
Yes, sir. That's right.
Next, here update quantity also there na. Suppose already 4 is there. I want to make it 2.
0,
Update.
2.
Now a subtotal changed. What is that one? Verify. Just a minute. Verify. Add quantity. Next. Update quantity. Default quantity is 1. Next. Suppose checkout is there na. Checkout. After purchasing checkout. Say actually for this checkout user credentials required. Suppose Rahman 1 2 3. Just a minute. A B C D 1 2 3. Observe, Smita. First you can log in, then buy products. Otherwise, another flow. First buy products, then it asks at the end it asks login. Getting these 2 points.
Yes, sir.
First you log in, then it won't ask again. You can first log in, buy products, then log out. Otherwise, first buy products, log in, log out. Next, here change address feature also there na.
Yes.
Verify change address. Next, just a minute. Verify change address. Next, here you can select shipping method. Shipping method. Here they didn't implement all features. Payment method also required. Just a minute. Shipping method or payment method. Shipping method is different. Payment method is different. Actually, shipping method not required. Shipping method, that is vendor neutral, manufacturers neutral, isn't it? Only
Yes.
payment method user can select. Suppose in this application not implemented, verify payment method. We will check whether that payment method implemented or not. In this screen not available. Just click continue. Here payment method is there. Payment method is there na?
Yes.
Here 2 methods. Cash on delivery, PayPal. You can select payment method. Okay. See, verify, select payment method. Selection of payment method. Next. Oh, sorry. We are writing this one. All possible. Later we will change that one. All possible. See, mistake. All possible tests. Next, just a minute. We can select some smoke tests. No issue. First, I am writing all possible. Then we can select smoke tests. Verify select payment method. Next, this is checkout. Confirmation. Just a minute. Verify. Checkout. Etc. Suppose these are the all possible tests. See, mistakenly I didn't write smoke test first. Okay, no problem. You select smoke test from these all possible tests, Sanjida. Verify, login. Next, customer login. Next, Smita, identify. Verify launch application, customer registration also. Verify, create an account. See, verify, create an account, customer login, etc. Okay, na?
Yes.
Say, you write Selenium WebDriver test cases. Observe, Sanjida, assignment, you write Selenium WebDriver test cases. You know, Selenium WebDriver element locators and commands. Say, you all of you familiar with element locators? Element locators. Next, Selenium WebDriver commands. WebDriver commands, or you can say methods. Selenium WebDriver commands, methods. Next, Java programming. Next, TestNG annotations. Okay, you write, you automate. See, automate admin. Next, user interfaces, test cases. Okay, using above concepts, you try to automate. Okay, na Sanjida, I'm going to close the session. You try to automate, you take 1 week or 10 days and send to my mail ID. If required, I will allot one more session. You try to automate. Any
Okay, sir. I will send it.
any queries, Gurnath Natarajan?
No, sir, I'm pretty much clear, sir.
Smita, any queries? I'm going to close the session. Any queries?
Sir, question.
Smita, just Aarti. Aarti, stop. Smita not completed. Smita, continue. Smita, any queries?
No, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Sanjida, okay. Gurnath, are you okay?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Aarti, continue.
I have a question. If I haven't got a chance to see the videos, when do you delete it? Can I able to see the one we were up to now?
Your voice is not reaching properly. Low voice. Increase the volume. Tell me.
If I want to watch your videos, how often I can do it?
Yes, you can watch the videos lifetime.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you.
One more person. Sridevi, any queries, Sridevi?
No questions, sir.
Okay, you try to automate this application. You take 1 week or 10 days and send to my mail ID. Then you can get more clarity. Okay, na?
Sir,
Ah,
sir,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
welcome.
do you have any session for SQL?
See, if I have any session, I will invite you definitely.
Okay, sir.
I'm
Thank you,
planning.
sir.
If I have any session, I will invite you. Okay, Gurnath, I'm going to close the session.
Thank you very much, sir.
Gurnath Natarajan, I'm going to close the session.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Sunil.
Sir. Yes,
Sunil.
sir.
I'm good, sir.
Okay.
No questions, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. You try to automate that one. Somebody trying to ask? Okay. Okay, best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,